What's up, guys? It is 2019, and welcome to Season 2 of So Many Parts, So Little Time, or as I like to call it, Smoke Slit. So in case you haven't been following the vlogs, we are in Dubai, in the United Arab Emirates. It's my first time in the Middle East, and we're checking out some of the amusement parks here, starting with Motiongate Dubai. This place opened up in late 2016. They've got a couple of awesome rides. This place was poised to be the Universal Studios of the Middle East. Now, when it opened, there were some mixed results. Some people said that it was better than your average theme park, but some people said that it was like a light version of Universal Studios. We're going to check it out for ourselves and make a decision. The sun's out and it's beautiful out, so yeah, let's go check out Motiongate Dubai, our first theme park of 2019 and our first theme park of this epic trip. So just like Universal Studios, Motiongate is a celebration of all things movie related. They've got several different sections themed to all sorts of different production companies. We got Dreamworks Animation, Columbia Studios, Lionsgate, Smurfs. So yeah, we're going to check out everything. We're about to meet Toothless. Oh, too close. Okay. If you can't tell, we're pretty big How to Train Your Dragon fans.
Somebody once told me the world.
Hello. Theming a restaurant to the noodle shop in Kung Fu Panda is absolute genius. Here we go, first roller coaster of 2019. I think I hear a coaster in there. There it comes. So we just got off the Madagascar coaster and it was a lot of fun. It's a custom Gerstlauer Infinity coaster, and since it's indoors, it's really dark, you can't really see what's going on, but there's a lot of really good turns in there. There's some decent air time. So yeah, for our first coaster of 2019, big thumbs up. So we rode Dragon Gliders, and I cannot begin to tell you how much fun that thing is. Whether you count it as a roller coaster credit or not, who cares? It is just such a fun ride. It's got some really cool visuals, and then when you fly out over the whole land, that's just really impressive and really good ride making. As for this whole Dreamworks Animation section, this is great. There's a whole lot of atmosphere, there's a whole lot of immersion, and especially this, the How to Train Your Dragon area, this is just a really lovely place. Check out Shrek Swamp, and then let's go outside. Okay, so we are finally in the outdoor section of the park. We're heading over to Lionsgate to ride the Hunger Games roller coaster. Yeah, just the Dreamworks Animation section alone, that's practically a theme park in and of itself. So I can't wait to see how the rest of this theme park plays out.
The girl was on fire, burned off. Not only mine, that your soul back. In our next session, we go behind.
So the Capital Bullet Train was actually my very first mock launch coaster, and I gotta say, really fun ride. This is one of the smaller mock launch coasters, but it still has a nice kick to it. The loop has a lot of really solid hang time to it. There's one pop of air time, and it's a short coaster, but it's a lot of fun. Highly recommend it. Okay, so we're smurfing our way over to Smurf Village. The Smurf and Smurf opened with Motion Smurf and 2000 Smurf, and now we're going to Smurf at the Smurf coaster, and it's going to be a lot of Smurf. So yes, we Smurf and rode the Smurf coaster. And you know what? It might be credit Smurfing, but we actually saw plenty of adults on the coaster. So you know what? I'm not so shameful that I rode the Smurf coaster, so Smurf the haters. Okay, so enough of the Smurf stuff. Let's go ride the Green Hornet. That's the last coaster in the park.
No what? The water fountain was at the washroom was about to turn she's like, I hear her over the intercom go, "Did you enjoy your ride? Why are you crying?"
So that was Motiongate Dubai, and I like this park. I like this park a lot. I don't care what the haters say, this is a really good park. You can tell that there was quite a bit of effort put in, and even if it's not Universal Studios level, it is still really good park. The amount of rides here is fantastic. All of the coasters are original coasters, and it's just fun. So yeah, this was the very first park of 2019. We got a slew of parks that we're going to get through in Dubai, in the US, and all over. If you haven't already, check out the Day 3 Dubai vlog. It's got the Miracle Garden in it. Lots of really cool shots of flowers. I know that sounds silly, but the place is amazing. Check it out. Until then, I shall see you guys in the next one. Take care.